Standard Time Friday. What? Northwest winds to 40 miles per hour with gusts to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Western North Dakota. When? From 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, or 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening to 6 a.m. Central Standard Time, or 5 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Friday. The following impacts are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details. Light snow is possible tonight into Thursday morning. If snow does occur, it could combine with the high winds that significantly impact visibility. Fasten loose objects or shelter objects in a safe location prior to the onset of winds. Use caution if you must drive.
And an update on Farmers Union's new...
This is a coordinated monthly test of all broadcast stations in Kansas and the Kansas City metropolitan area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is now being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as severe weather watches or warnings, or other local area emergencies, official messages and information would have followed the alert tones. This station serves the state of Kansas and or the Kansas City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Washington, D.C., beginning at 9:23 p.m. and ending at 10:23 p.m. The 4th District is on the scene of a confirmed kidnapping in the 3800 block of New Hampshire Avenue, NW. Look out for 2020 Black Toyota at Fort bearing Maryland tax 3DY 5327. The vehicle was taken with 2 children in the car, ages 2 and 4. The 2-year-old is a B/F wearing a purple jacket, and 4-year-old is B/M wearing a green/gray jacket. No lookout for the suspect.
The civil authority has issued civil emergency message for the following counties/areas. Olmsted, Minnesota, at 4:10 p.m. on Jan 11th, 2021, effective until 7:10 p.m. The Olmsted County 911 system is experiencing an outage in Olmsted County. Officials are working to resolve the issue. Call 507-285-8580 if you have an emergency in Olmsted County, until further notice.
The Virginia State Police and the Virginia Missing Children's Clearinghouse has issued an Amber Alert on behalf of the Louisa County Sheriff's Office for a child abduction that occurred on January 10th, 2021. The child is believed to be in extreme danger and was last seen at a residence in Louisa County, Virginia. Abducted is Killian Byers, white male with blonde hair and blue eyes, 7 months old, 1 foot 8 inches tall, weighing 19 pounds. The child is believed to have been abducted by Lauren Lloyd, a white female with red hair, blue eyes, 5 foot 3 inches tall, weighing 165 pounds. She was last seen driving a 2008 white Honda Accord with Virginia registration UJY 6994. For further information, contact the Louisa County Sheriff's Office at 540-967-1234 or visit www.vaamberalert.com.
This is a test of the Washington, D.C. Metropolitan Operational Area Emergency Alert System. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast and cable stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If there's been an actual emergency, official messages will follow this alert tone. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system.
You have just heard a test of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm feature. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a greater distance from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. During severe weather, the warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm and tornado watches, and for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood warnings. The warning alarm will also be used for civil emergency messages. A test of the warning alarm feature of National Weather Service Radio is conducted at 12 noon and 7 p.m. each Wednesday, unless there is a significant risk of severe weather in the area.